Good evening everyone, my name is Ashwani Kumar and today I am going to do a presentation on user management system using Laravel and MySQL. So let's get started, and for that we just need to go to the URL and we just need to paste it, and you could see the localhost :8000/m, and we are just drawn to the welcome page, that is the user management system. And we have new users, then you need to create an account, and if you are already having an account you can directly click on login. So we just go to create an account and we just try making an account with this. Since I already have an account with Ashwani Kumar, I'll try making an account with Ashwani itself. So let's just have Ashwani, and here I just write Ashwani @gmail. Just write Ashwani, and here we just write normal characters. We don't write any numeric value or the special characters, but we just write normal characters. Let's see what kind of error it throws. So we have uname must be at least 8 characters. Your email should be at least 15 characters, and the uparse format is invalid because it's not in proper format. And for that I'll just show you the validation part, that is the username passed, that is minimum 8, maximum 14. For email we have required minimum 15 and max is 25, and it should be the email validation. For password we have required still minimum 8. Reject expression we have lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z. Then we have numeric values from 0 to 9, and the special characters that we have $, and etc. So this was just for validation. And let's try in the correct format. So we have let's try writing something like this, and we have Ashwani, and try not having in that way, we try having in without having a space. So let's have Ashwani Kumar 11@gmail.com, right? And the password is in correct format, so uppercase A sh @123 12348, and we create an account and let's see what happens. So we are redirected to the login page, and here we just need to do is we just need to enter our email ID which we have registered ourselves with, and let's just try to refresh the database part. And here we have in the Ashwani Kumar, which is the latest user, and his email ID is ashwanikumar11, and his password is ash@12348. So let's just try with that, and we have ashwanikumar11@gmail.com, and the password is @12348, right? So we are logged into the account, and this is the welcome screen, and in this your name is displayed, the username of yours. Then here we are redirected to the various categories. We have different kinds of modules. So the very first thing that we have is the poster picture with the story, that we had similarly in the PHP. So let's just try to operate, and here we are. This is a page where you can actually write a story, and I'll try writing a story, but before that we just try to have a photo for this, and photo for this I'll have it from my gallery, and I'll just try having a photo with my siblings, and this is my Ashwani with his siblings, right? So this is the story, and we have the gallery photo, and we try to post the story, and here we are. The data is stored in the database, and same you can see the Ashwani with his siblings and the photo that we have. So since we have already sent this module, we just go back, since we don't want to log out, and we just go back, And now we just go to navigate to quotation because we want to add a quote, and let's just try to navigate to quotation, and you could see we have already one quote here, and we have view, edit and delete. And if you want to view, you can view here and go back. If you want to edit, you can edit, but for that let me copy this one and let's paste here. Okay, so we try to update, and you can see the things has been updated, and you can see it in your database too. So let's just go to post, and you could see the database has been updated, right? So let's just try to add one more code here, and the latest code will be from my side, that is this one. So let's add a code and let's insert it, and you could see the latest code has been inserted here. The same has been also inserted in the database. If you try to see it, yes, it has been inserted. Now what we need to do, we have not performed delete. Let's try to delete. The things will be deleted, and you could see the data has been deleted. The same has been deleted from the database too. So this is all for the user management system using Laravel. And let's try log out, and since we already registered user, we'll just try to log in through our username and password. So the username, the email ID was ashwanikumar11@gmail.com, and the password was 12348, right? And let's log in. So since we already have an account and the email is registered with the database and with the user management system, so let's just try to figure out. So let me just take you out to the story that we have created, and these are the two stories that we have created. The very first one that I've already made it earlier, and this latest one that I have actually made it just right now. The second thing that we have done is add in a code which we have already seen, and you could see it. So, and then we have login, that is for the registration, and once you are done with the registration, the things are actually going to be the login part. And if we have the we have proper constraint for that, and once you match those constraints and those values and datas, you will be automatically redirected to the welcome page. That's all. And I'll also like to show you my repository on GitHub, that is for the user management system using Laravel, and 20 commits, because these are the recent one that I've done. And for PHP I have it here. These are the 9 commits, and I'll also have the report. For the database, and once I'm done with the recording of my presentation, I'll also paste my link here. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.